Alexander Alexandrovich Mikulin was a renowned Soviet aircraft engine designer. He was born on February 14, 1895, in Vladimir and passed away on May 13, 1985, in Moscow at the age of 90. Among his achievements was the first Soviet liquid-cooled piston engine, the Mikulin AM-34, and the Mikulin AM-3 turbojet engine, used in the Soviet Union's first jet aircraft, the Tupolev Tu-104. At the age of 50, his health suddenly deteriorated. Mikulin wondered why his previously well-functioning body had started to fail so abruptly. As an engineer, he decided to approach the problem from a technical perspective, much like designing engines. After studying medical literature and consulting with doctors, he created his own set of exercises designed to repair his body. His methods focused on eliminating harmful substances from the body, which he referred to as sludge. Mikulin also developed a 7-day fast with an enema as a weight loss method. In this video, we will focus on his method of removing sludge from the body. Mikulin graduated from a technical university in Moscow among the first aeromechanical engineers, alongside figures such as Tupolev and Arkhangelsky. He designed the first Soviet piston and turbojet engines that powered MiG aircraft. During the war, his team developed a powerful engine for the Il-2 aircraft, which struck fear into the Germans. For his achievements, Mikulin was awarded the title of Hero of Socialist Labor, a highly prestigious honor. After years of dedication and work, Mikulin's health deteriorated. After turning 50, he became seriously ill, was hospitalized, and his heart began to fail. He decided to investigate the causes of aging from an engineer's perspective to actively combat the process. He concluded that aging was caused by the clogging of cells and the spaces between cells with metabolic waste. He discovered that the inner surface of the veins has valves that direct the flow of blood toward the heart. He noticed that when the heel strikes the ground forcefully, the blood is pushed upward, cleansing the veins of sludge. Based on this, Mikulin developed vibrational gymnastics, which can be performed regardless of one's health condition. It is suitable for both trained individuals and those engaged in intense mental work or sedentary jobs. Even during mountain hikes, it's worth doing these exercises to cleanse the legs and body. What is Mikulin's vibrational gymnastics? Standing on your toes, lift your heels 1 centimeter off the ground and drop them down, feeling a slight jolt. This movement causes blood to flow toward the heart. The exercises should be done slowly, once per second. After 30 such movements, take a 5 to 10 second break. Lifting the heels higher than 1 centimeter does not increase the effectiveness of the exercise, but only causes fatigue. It is important that the jolts are energetic, but not too strong to avoid shaking the head. The exercise should be repeated 3 to 5 times a day for 1 minute. After vibrational gymnastics, mental sluggishness disappears as blood is pushed from the head to the heart. This exercise helps treat many illnesses and prevents blood clots and heart attacks. At the age of 80, Mikulin remained physically and mentally active, lecturing at universities and enjoying good health. Thanks to his exercises and methods, he lived to be 90 years old, despite doctors predicting he had only a few years to live after turning 50. Thank you for listening to this episode. If you liked it, feel free to recommend this method to your friends.